Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be drawing Sylvester Stallone using graphite pencils. If it's your first time coming across this channel, then please subscribe. Don't forget liking all of my videos and sharing them. My Instagram and TikTok account, the links are down below. These are the art tools used on this beautiful portrait. As I had prepared my outline before, so the step which I start up with is the shading process, and this is the main objective of this channel, so as to help all the art fans, artists to learn shading on realistic artworks. I use a 5H and 2H pencil when shading the face. Also, you can use graphite powder of the pencils which I mentioned, which is 2H and 5H, so as to bring up a lighter shade on the face portion. The pressure used to shade on the face isn't the same pressure that should be used on the other portions of the artwork, because the face has to have a lighter shade, but the other places such as the hairline, the hair, such as the background, they differ. Then I use a gel pen to portray the eye's reflections. Most artists use a gel pen, but some artists use a white pencil, it can't work out in all types of papers, but on the type of paper which I'm using, I think a gel pen is much favorable, which is a 200 GSM A4 paper. On shading the hairline textures, there are many methods which artists use. Well, in my upcoming tutorial, I'll train you on how to use a stylus, which is used on drawing hair textures. On this portrait, I used an 8B graphite powder to render the hair outlines and result a smooth shaded portion. A background is among the easiest parts for drawing. You just have to use a low lighted graphite powder, such as a 2H and a 5H graphite powder. But sometimes it depends on the dark grade of your portrait. I'll finalize the suit lines by using a 6B pencil, and then I'll use a blending stamp so as to finalize this shading. I hope you learned something from this portrait. Please subscribe and don't forget liking all of my videos.